of the blizzard precautions. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let's get started! Don't wear summer clothes. Wear the beach! Don't panic. Don't go outside. Look at the blizzard. Look at the snow. Let's go outside. No! Girls, stop right there. You know, it's very unsafe to be out in a blizzard. Go to your room. What? And you better not ever go outside. Now I'm going back to bed. Don't drive.
I barely see anything.
Mommy, when are we going to get home?
We'll get home when we get home. These conditions are really bad. I can barely see anything. Crap, the car shook down. Did we remember to pack the safety precautions?
No, that's another don't, Mom.
Don't leave the area unless you know exactly where you're going.
Do bundle up.
Ready to go outside? I'm ready. We're gonna go sledding. Gotta put hats and gloves. You have my coat. Make sure to put the hat on. Make sure you put your gloves on.
Do have proper equipment.
Do have water bottles.
Do have a first aid kit.
And always have blankets.
And also make sure you have a windshield scraper just in case you can't see. And lastly, make sure you have four-wheel drive so you never get stuck.
And if you do get stuck, make sure you have enough gas.
And a cell phone to call for help.
And if you don't have either of these, get tight together because do call for help if you're stranded and always stay calm.
Hello, hello. We are stuck in a car during a blizzard and we need help. Thank you. Always be buckled with your seatbelt. Yep, just like this. Stayed. Blizzard caution. Hello, these are the dudes.
You may think that I'm a zero, but hey, everyone you wanna be, always set it off like me. You may say that I'm a freak show, but hey, I give it just a little time, and don't change your mind. You've been throwing my way, it ain't so hard to take. That's right, 'cause
Lucky that didn't break. Macy, stop. Macy.
Have proper